What is AI design and how can I use it in my business? What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. It's designed to take over a process that humans typically do. It requires some level of input and then gives users some kind of output. The basic idea is that the output saves time. That saved time allows the user to do other things that are more profitable or productive. It has specific applications in an online business. AI design. AI design tools allow you to use your words to create images. And instead of having to know how to execute specific design elements, design tools allow you to create custom designs without that knowledge. There are several tools on the market. Some are specific to images, like Midjourney. Others aren't specific to images and allow you to create broader images in more categories. There are many different platforms and they're being designed every day. The key is overcoming the learning curve to using them. Can you overcome the learning curve? There are some methods of AI design that could be considered easier than manual creation. However, you will need to understand what an AI design tool can do and what an AI design tool cannot do. Some of those tools are available for free or low cost. Others do more and require a monthly payment. And others are pay as you go. There's a video course that will walk you through the process of some of the more popular AI design tools. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.